What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Santa Clarita Clearance Center. Man, been finding some deals here. Found the Chanel's here for what, $79.99 or something like that last time. I didn't pull the trigger. It was my size. But yeah, let's see if they got anything else like that. Retros for a steal. Retros for a steal. That's what we look for when we come here. We also look for other stuff because, man, they do have tons of other deals. All right, let's go. Let's go. And I left my gift cards in the car. Dang it. And of course, the first thing we do look at the heat wall, Jordan 6s. Oh, they got those weird Jordan Air Force 1s. All right, they got Jordan 1 lows, size 11. They got those Lebrons my size. Dang it. $200 Lebrons, go for $100 bucks. $79.99 for those Lebrons right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, and then they got Jordans. They got stuff you guys can see. But man, $80 for LeBron 3s. I think those go for what, 200? Oh my god, I'm looking at those LeBron 3s. I'm thinking about it. I know I should chill, dude. I really know I should chill. All right, let me think about it. All right, those of you guys that have been watching my videos, they've had similar stuff here. So we're gonna try to find you all the unique things right here. Kyrie Infinities go for $60. Are you serious? $60 for these. That is fire, especially if you play hoops. Got some Nike by you Infinity Run Flying 3s. This is the latest Infinity Run Flying 3s. The latest version, and it's going for $80. Well, a lot more traction than the prior ones. Dang, we are finding deals. What? Bunch of cycling shoes. We've seen these, 50 bucks. Both colorways. The free Terra Vistas go for 60. Oh, size, I think I forgot to mention size 10. Size 10 and a half right here. React Element 87s. Haven't seen any of these in a cool minute. $80 for these. Normally $160. Back to the 10s. Some Metcons right here. $70. Oh, that's a 10 and a half. All right. Back to the 10s apparently. The Pegasus 83 premiums. Going for $50. Seeing a bunch of interesting stuff here. Waffle racers, we've seen these a bunch of times, going for 50. Some Nike by Lisa's going for 60. There's a Pegasus 38 right here. Going down in size 9. The Air Force 1 mids right here, going for $70. We've seen these for full price at all kinds of places. Nike Pegasus Shield 37s going for 60. Regular Pegasus right here going for 60. Pegasus 37s. Infinity Run Flying It 2s. Oh, this is a wrong size. $40 for these. Are you serious? These are an 11.5, but they're going for $40. Are you serious? That's insane. Checking out the size 8. You got the LeBron 19s go for $100 bucks. Man, that's what's up. I don't think I've seen this colorway, have I? I don't know if I have. That's a hell of a deal. More of these Kyrie Infinities go for $80. This is a Nike by you. Oh man, the mulligan, the M kind of ruins it. Man, without that, these would be fire, kind of like a bread colorway. But yeah, 60 bucks. Checking out both sides. Yeah, it says mulligan on both. Okay, all right. If you're into golf, maybe. Alpha Fly Next Percents go for $100 bucks. Nike's Premier running shoe. They do have a second version of this, so this is the older generation. But to find $275 running shoes here, man, that's what's up. Remember, nothing here is over $100. None of the sneakers over $100, so you can't find some steals. $275 down to $100, dude. Wow. Finding steals and steals, man. What are these? Are these the Pegasus? No, the MD runners going for $35 bucks. Man. More Nike by you Pegasus right here going for 60. And they still got these Flyposits here. I cannot believe they still have them. These are going for what, 80 bucks. $99. Okay. And then I've never seen these. Oh, the Mach 3.5s. These are down to 50. Okay. Size 11s moving up in size now. Blazers going for 50 bucks. Those are the jumbos with the huge Nike sign right there. More of these. Infinities. $60 for the Infinity. For the Kyrie Infinities, that's ridiculous. Fly traps down to $40, cheaper than the regular outlets. Ton of these Genos. We've seen these in so many different colorways. Go for $80. So many Pegasus Nike by Use. These are a Fly Ease, one with no laces. $60 for these. Defy All Days going for $30. Nike React Flyknits going for $80. Size 12. See if these have gone down in price at all. $80 for these. The Air Force One boots. Yeah, they do got these. They got these. Yeah, $40. Some sprinting cleats. If you need some of these. Oh, pole vault. Pole vault cleats go for $35. No studs though. No studs. It does have this thing. The stud remover or the whatever, but yeah, no studs. Has one of them right there, worthless. Probably can't find the studs for hella cheap, but yeah, I do got the Lebrons right here. LeBron 19s go for $100. Zoom Terra Kigers for those of you trail runners and stuff, go for $70. Not too much craziness in the bigger sizes. They do got a Nike by Dwayne right here, going for $60. These are OG Challengers. What are these? I don't know. Some of the OG running shoes, older ones. 12.5. Friendly reminder, all sales are final and no sneakers here over $100. So you got to choose wisely, but you got to act quick because sales are kind of crazy. What are these? Vaporfly Next Percents go for $100. Size 13s. Do got these in tons of sizes. The Zoom Pulse go for $60. We've seen these for hella cheap at the regular outlets, but I think they might be sold out at most outlets already. Jesus sandals, the Deschutes, oh no, the Canyons go for $40. Like, they have a bunch of this type of stuff, but we've been seeing these a million times. $80 for these. Ooh, and then for tennis, you rarely see these. The Zoom Vapor Pros going for $50. Okay. Size 14, Vaporfly Next Percent 2s. Holy guacamole, I've seen these. I don't know, they're under $100 though. Okay, got these bad boys right here. Which ones are these? The waffle ones, I think these are. Yeah, $60 for these. This is a Nike by You. All right. Always plenty of basketball shoes for the huge sizes. What, $60 for these. PG4s, $50. But they got other stuff as well. The Air Force One mids go for $70. ACG Jesus sandals. These are the Deschutes. Yep, $40 for these. Size 15, $80 for the Infinity Run React 2s. And then I've talked about this multiple times. This is the only spot you're gonna find 14.5s, and not just like one or two pairs, like multiple colorways as well. You just don't see 14.5s anywhere. And then we get to back to the 15s right here. PG4s, $50. And $60 for these. KDs going for $70. Waffle Trainer 2s going for $50. Zoom BB NXTs going for $80. Always see tons and tons of performance sneakers, especially basketball, for the 15 and over. Zoom GT1s, that's like the cheapest we've ever seen these. These are almost always full price, even still $80 for those. That's a Nike by You, it looks like. Or, oh no, it's not a Nike by You, it's a Team Bank, it looks like. And yeah, just dozens and dozens of basketball shoes, just so many different colorways. All right, let's go back. We're gonna check the heat wall again, see if they got anything new. All right, Creeper Cam action. Ooh. They're filling some more. Ooh, I see some stealths. What size are those stealths? I've been thinking about those. Dang, I'm sorry, I'm looking up, so I couldn't even see. Ooh, maybe those stealths. Maybe I might, let me go see what size they are. Shout out to the homie Will. Definitely appreciate you for supporting the channel. We've chopped it up for like, what, 10 minutes? The stealths are gone. I was just gonna go see what size it was. I don't think I really need them like that, or I don't know if I want them, but I was just gonna go check out the size. Already gone, dude. That's how quick things happen around here, you guys. That's how quick it happens. All right, like I said, I'm not really trying to buy stuff. I just thought about it only because it was what, 79, I think, or 80. Like, I don't know, it's cheap. The Jordans are cheap when they have them here. All right, let's look around. Let's look around the apparel section, see what's up. All right, I was talking, and yeah, they ended up bringing out more stuff, man. That fool got What the Fives. He got the What the Five. Damn, how the hell did they time it perfectly where they were in front, dude? But he ended up getting the What the Fives. I don't know what size, but to get that for under $100, that's insane. So just being nosy. They brought the mids up top, size 10, size 9.5. Those are both $60 a piece. Okay, so nothing that I really need. Okay. All right, I teamed up with Will. Will and I were searching through the the freaking the heat rack right there. Yeah, we spent a cool minute just seeing how things work and, you know, hoping for a little restock. Nothing much there. So yeah, let's look at apparel real quick. Kind of like a unofficial Packers colorway right here. $25. This is dry fit too. I bet you these go for what, 60 bucks? Yeah, $60 normally. Damn. Got like a UNC colorway right here. Same price, 25. Got one for every school, I guess. Like damn, 25 bucks for all those. And I got matching pants for them. If you guys go for that preppy look. Okay, $25. $25. That's not bad because these I have a feeling these shorts. Oh wait, I was like, they normally go 45, but that's these basketball shorts. Yeah, normally 65 down to $25. That's fire. This plaid one is actually pretty dope. I don't really golf like that. Basketball shorts right here, $20 for all these basketball shorts. Not bad. I'm not the hugest fan of the basketball shorts. The Nike basketball shorts. Every time I see them, I always talk about how thin they are, and you know, Gentleman's Club. That's like the only time they're really good. $30 down to $15 for these. Okay, I am entertaining the hell out of myself. $25 for these. Normally $70 for these sweats. Holy crap! We got sweats, hoodies, all on sale. $25 for all these hoodies. Found these in a ton of sizes earlier. One of the earlier trips. I do got some viewers, Preppy and his kids. What are your guys' names?
Atom Allen, T-O-M. Triton, T-I-T-O-M.
So Atom and Triton? They both play football?
They call me Boom.
Boom?
For the LA Chiefs.
Okay.
T-Top.
Okay, so we got some football players here. Playing the LA Snoop League, right?
Yeah, for the LA Chiefs and the Snoop.
LA Chiefs and the Snoop. That's what's up. That's what's up. Good luck, you guys, this season. Appreciate you guys watching. And yeah, thanks. Thanks, you guys. All right, that was dope. Yeah, the kids were also excited. That's cool. Dude got tech fleece. Y'all know I'd be loving the tech. $50. $50. These are normally, I think, $140. I think the tech fleece pants that I got was like $140. Well, you know damn well I didn't pay no $140, but yeah, they're up there. They're up there. 110 was the 110. 110 was the retail on that. Got a. Are these a couple? Man, I can't even tell the sizes and stuff, man. All right, so got a G right there for grande, for large. Yeah, they got some other colorways, or one other colorway. All right, I forgot to give a shout out to Tom. He watches all the time as well. He's the one who bought the Stealth wear 10.5. He did offer it to me, especially for that price, but I was good. Man. I just got way too much stuff. $80 though. $80 for Jordan 1 highs, man. You really can't beat that. Just, man, that's what gets me coming back here. I need to come back here more often now. But yeah, do got these slides with the little pockets right here. 25 bucks for those. The thongs, these were down to what, 15, right? Yeah, 15 for those mugs right there. And then even got the LS slides right here. What these bad boys going for? The LS slides, yeah, I don't know. I don't see a price. These are only size 14 though. Still got one of these Oregon ones. I don't know the price. I wouldn't think more than 25 bucks. So way under retail. It's a smaller one though. Yeah, this is size 7. All right, I think I'm gonna wrap things up. To be honest, I'm waiting for the homie Will right there, who's a viewer and supports. There's a Jordan 3 Elephant. What is it? The Jordan 3 Desert Elephant. He's a size 11. They've just brought it to size 11. I'm gonna see if he's able to get that. And then, oh, they got more dunks too. All right, let's go check it out real quick. Let's go check it out. All right, creeper cam action. All right, so he was able. I think he's able to get him. He's gonna see. He's gonna be able to see. But yeah, they got those dunks. They got those. I don't know what dunks they are. And I think that those two are the only new things up there. But yeah, be able to get dunks, be able to get Jordans for, you know, under 100 bucks. That's what's up. That's what's up. I don't know how much they put their dunks up for. Usually like 79 or 69 or something too. Wait, they got those dunks right there too. Those dunk highs. I don't know what size. That's a size 12. A size 12 right there. Like I said, under 100 bucks, man. Under 100 bucks. Oh wait, they got the Panda high dunks too. Size 8, I think. That's a size 8. And yeah, that's, like I said, $79 bucks or so. Damn. Steal. So we got the homie Will right here. He did pick up those elephant, the desert elephant 3s. How much did it come out to with military discount? So it's $98 after tax. Ended up picking up that. Has that been your best find the last couple months, or what? Yeah, what would you say?
Months, that's my best find.
That's probably the best find. Okay, and that was pretty dope. Him and I were scoping out the heat rack for. We were probably there for like 20 minutes just staring at it, right? And they kept bringing stuff out, so that was kind of dope. That was a dope experience to see that, though. I'm glad you were able to come up, and then you're actually returning some fire, so huh? Look, returning some fire. Okay, returning these bad boys. And he got his pair on feed already. So yeah, so those are gonna be available to whoever's inside there. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks so much for supporting the channel. It was dope chilling with you for like 30 minutes. We were chopping it up and stuff. So all right, good looking out, dog. See you, bro. All right, guys, that was the Nike clearance store. I had so much fun that visit. I really did. I got to see a couple of supporters. I got to see Will. Like Will came up. You know, you do get a military discount here, as well as all the other Nike outlets. It's down to 10%, and he was able to grab those Desert Elephant 3s. I don't know why the hell I can't think of that name, but yeah, he was able to come up on those Desert Elephant 3s for under $100, under a freaking $100. That's what's up. Man, I did find out later because I asked a couple of the workers what the 5s. Those were size 10.5 too. So if I could have got those, I would have rocked those, and then I would have held on to the pair that I had. But damn, man, almost came up. But at least the homie Will was able to come up on those Desert Elephant 3s. Really dope to see one of my supporters or you know, a fellow collector be able to come up like that. That's freaking dope. You know, I ended up spending a lot more time than I wanted here, but I still had so much fun. And I was able to see one of the homies come up. That was fire. But that's kind of why you come here. For me, at least, that's why I come here. The heat wall is just dope. But even in the regular aisles, they still got plenty of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like maybe not the dopest heat stuff, but just super cheap stuff, performance stuff, basketball sneakers, all that type of stuff. I'm coming here because they got crazy deals. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. You know, like I was using that creeper cam a lot because I was trying to show you guys all the stuff that they were getting back. But yeah, I had a lot of fun. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. Y'all know how much that means to me. Just means the world. Can't thank you guys enough. Make sure you help a boy out. Press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification. Y'all know I do drop tons of videos. But yeah, and I'm gonna be dropping this video like the day after, so y'all will get it like super fresh, like right after. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Yeah, I talked like an hour on that one. All right, hope you guys enjoy. See you.